to my channel. Today I am very excited to share my new Day Designer planner. So as you know, I've had my eye on this. I've used Day Designer before. They reached out to me on LTK to do a collab type thing on Instagram, and so this planner was gifted to me through them. I did not pay for it, but I did want to do a YouTube video too, of course. This isn't part of the collaboration, but I also always want to throw that out there so y'all know. But I'm really excited to share this. I've shared this planner before, and I've mentioned it on my Plan With Me and I think the reorganization video. But I've loved this design. It's so much prettier in person. And I've been wanting to add a daily to my planner, and so when this collab opportunity came up, I was like, ooh, that's perfect. I've actually looked at this exact planner. So I got the mini. So there is a mini and then there's a regular size. And I don't know, this is more, it's not A5, but it's pretty much A5. Of course, with the coil, it makes it a little bit longer. But I really like this size just because it's, I think, more compact and I can take this with me, which is kind of what I'm looking for. And so I figured I would do a flip. If you've seen this, this is an academic year. So it's July to June, 2023 to 2024. And I've never used a daily by them. I've used an hourly and then a weekly. Prior to me finding Erin Condren, I always used it. I went from the Victoria's Secret pink planners for school, and then I found the Day Designers for work. So I would use one for school, one for work, and then got that hourly from Erin Condren, and then as y'all know, I'm in and out. So we have this ruler. This is different than the ones you find at Target from what I've heard, and it does look like it comes with more than you typically see. So you have the story of the company, how to use this planner, what's important to me, which I think is really cute, a self-assessment of where I am in life. I actually really like this. I'll probably fill this out. Goals, and then the plan. So that's really nice as well. Ideal month, ideal week. Oh, this is actually really nice. For scheduling. I think I'll do a dedicated video filling this out. Maybe it'll be a next planner setup video. And then I'll probably start incorporating this planner in some Plan With Me's, because although I'll do it day by day, I want to add probably things to the hourly in here. There's birthdays and other important dates. And then we have, let's see, do we go, yeah, we go straight to the month. So here is the monthly page. The weekend is kind of striped out, which is actually kind of cool. You have a note section here. Again, I just really am loving the size. Let me see if I can show y'all the difference between why I say this is pretty close to an A5. I looked at the dimensions online, and I'll have everything linked below, so that way y'all can take a look at all three sizes: weekly, mini, and then daily. So here's an A5 sheet, right? And so it looks like it is pretty much the same. The A5 sheet is slightly taller, and then you have the coil, which makes it bulkier than a typical A5. But I do really love it. I think it's really cute. So I'm really excited to use this and incorporate it daily. I think I'm at the point now where I just have so many things to do per day a lot of times that I wanted to incorporate it daily. So with the mini, you go from your monthly to your daily sheets. And so Saturday and Sunday are on one page. You have a top 3 priorities, you have a quote, and then you have a next week, which is actually kind of nice, so you can kind of pre-plan. And I think that's probably the parts that I'll set up in my Plan With Me's. You have a notes and a daily gratitude. And then I might use this area for sticky notes. You have your today column. So it goes from 7 to 7 in the mini. I believe it goes until 9 in the regular size. Let me verify. Okay, so the regular size goes from 5 to 9. And then for dimensions, this is 6 inches wide and 8.125 inches tall, and it's around 2 pounds. It's 1.9 pounds. So a little bit on that. And then each weekday has its own page. And so you have your top 3, your what's due, dinner, dollars, don't forget. So I think that's kind of cool to have a variety of different things. Like I said, this is going to be a daily planner for me. This is going to be like a catch-all for everything. I might even put in like work meetings just because I really want to break out my day. I ordered some new highlighters from Amazon, so when I do I'll do a plan with me in this video, and when I do that, I will share those highlighters that I got, because I found some for like, I think they're on sale, but I still think they're less than $10 regularly. They're like $6 highlighters on Amazon, and I got like 3 different packs. And so I purchased a few, and I repurchased some, but I can't find where I put them. And I don't know if I gave them away or something, but I wanted to rebuy them and use them in here, because I'm not going to go too crazy. I really want to use this for like, I still want to probably highlight, but I'm primarily going to keep this as a pen only planner. So I'm not gonna like really use stickers and things like that, because I just want it to be an easy place to come in, write things down, and call it good, right? So yeah, that is the setup for these pages, and I just think it's very cute. Of course, we're already over July, so we have August, and I'll probably backdate in August, and I'll do that in the planner video. But I think this is just a really cute agenda. The paper is definitely a little bit stronger than, well, I guess that's the tab page, that might be stronger. I think the paper quality is great. Here's what a note page looks like on a regular month. So you have 3 top priorities and then a no. I don't know how I'll use that. You have holidays already in each month, and yeah, it's a very like simple to the point planner, which y'all know I love. I love the structure of everything, and I'm excited to use this for daily planning. So let's see, we have one final note section, and then you have a blank page. So that's everything that comes in here. There's no note pages in the back, which is fine. Again, I'll be using this for daily planning, so I don't need it. And then at the front, there's a little pocket, and so you have these stickers, which are cute. I might use these. Like, I really like the planes, and y'all know I travel a lot, so I'll probably add the planes. I like these gold things. So I might be putting like gold stickers in here. And then, oh, I did have some really cute cloth and paper ones that I could probably use in here too. I'll be using stickers. I lied. We should know this by now. But these are actually really cute. So you have like to-do, meeting, party, vacation, me time, grateful, exercise, birthday, payday, big day, due day, oh, due to day, don't forget, check marks, little wines, coffee. Like, these are cute, so we'll definitely use these. And then let me grab my cloth and paper ones, and we'll add those in here, because they're just so functional that I think it's going to also like just work well with what I want to do on this agenda. And so this will, at the moment, be replacing my hourly planner in my planner stack. End of month flips will come up before we know it, and I'll go over exactly what I'm using. I'll use this for a week and then determine what exactly I want my lineup to be and how I'm going to use it and how it works best. So I don't want to say that I'm doing something before until like I've actually tried it, right? And I know like that's what I'm going to do with that. And then here are these stickers from Cloth and Paper. I don't know if they still sell these. I've had these forever. Like, these are one of the first few things I got when I first bought a Louis Vuitton agenda like years ago. But I think these will work perfect in here, and they go with that gold. And then I just like using them because they'll be simple. So let's put those in there. And then I have a few more, so I'll find those and throw them in here. But yeah, I'll have a follow-up video, probably just setting up the month of August in here. And by setting up, I'll just really focus on adding in the hours for things that I know are going on. I'll do a little unboxing with that, and we'll make it a fun little video. So here's where I'm currently at. So I'll put in the today. And yeah, that's a little overview of my new planner. I really love it. Really excited to try my first daily from Day Designer. And of course, I will follow back up with y'all on how it's working. Of course, I'll be doing content on it. Like I said, I'll probably include it in my Playing With Me's, just because I kind of want to use this every day. And then I like the size of this because I do plan on, if I go work at Starbucks, I prefer taking this with me. Ultimately, what I'm looking for right now is a smaller planner that I can lay flat. Like, that's it. That was literally it. Like, I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but I gave my friends, because I'm of course the planner friend, but I gave them most of my like other planners. And I don't know why, I'm just not a huge fan of the Daily Duo when it comes to like personal planning. I like it for work, but even now I've like kind of haven't used it. So I've really liked this layout, and so I'm excited to try it. So yeah, that is my new day designer. Again, this is the, I don't think I mentioned it, this is the Bali design. They have so many cute ones. I was trying to decide between this and I think it's like the chick one. It's like a leopard. It's really cute. But yeah, they have all of their planners up, and I want to thank them again for doing this collaboration with me. It's really fun. Again, this isn't part of it. I just wanted to share everything on YouTube because I don't know, I've been loving YouTube more lately, if y'all can tell, than like Instagram. So yeah, I also think it's fun to do videos like this and do like a little unboxing, which I technically didn't do, but it comes in a really nice storage box, which I'll probably keep. And you get these 2 cards with it. And yeah, that is my new planner. More content coming soon. I hope y'all like this somewhat unboxing, but just planner reveal / share. So yeah, other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my chaos.